Do you know how to calculate your fertile window or know when will you be ovulating? If not, then save this with you. So first of all, you have to track your menstrual cycle in last 3 months so that it will give you the average length of your cycle, which could be 28 days, 30 days, 32 days, whatever it is. Suppose your cycle is of 28 days and you have got your periods on 1st of this month, then your expected date of getting periods, next periods will be 28. So to know your ovulation day, you have to subtract 14 days from the next date. That is, you have to subtract 14 from 28. So you will get 14th of June as your ovulation days, and 2 days before and 2 days after this will be your fertile window. Suppose if you have a 30-day cycle and you got your period on 1st of this month, your next cycle date will be 30. You have to subtract 14 from that, and your ovulation day will be 16, and your fertile window will be from 14 to 18. And similarly, if it is of 24 days, you will be ovulating on 10th day of your cycle, and your fertile window will be from 8 to 12 of this month. Having relation in this window will help you achieve pregnancy fast.